Welcome to another MT2 Trading platform tutorial video. Today I will be showing you how to trade binary options automatically on your favorite brokers based on MetaTrading signal indicators. The first step will be to log into your selected broker account through MT2 Trading platform. To do so, fill in the blanks with your login details and click the OK button. Once you log into your account, you'll be ready to set up your indicator and connector at your MetaTrading platform. As you can see, our trades table is empty as we have no automated signals running at this precise moment. The second step will be to open your MetaTrading platform. In case you do not have one, do not worry. You'll be able to find Apari MT4 and the MT2 Trading download files. Once inside MetaTrader, you will need to open a new chart. For this example, we will open the Euro-US dollar chart and set up 4 desired timeframes. In this example, we will set up 1-minute timeframes for video agility purposes, but we recommend using 5 minutes as a minimum as it's much safer to trade. The next step will be to attach your technical indicator to your chart. You'll find all your indicators in the navigator bar to the left of your MetaTrader platform. In this example, we will be using a binary profit indicator, which is provided for free and can be found at the MT2 Trading download files as well. So head over to the navigator, click on your indicator name, drag it to your chart and click on the OK button as shown on the screen. Once you have successfully dragged your indicator into your chart, it is time for you to grab the MT2 Trading Auto, which will connect your MetaTrading platform to MT2 Trading and your broker account. In the same process as we did before, click on it, drag it into your chart and click the OK button. The MT2 Trading Auto will be by default loaded on the edit mode, which means that you will be able to configure all of your trading parameters before you start trading automatically. Your MT2 Trading Auto will automatically detect all of the indicators on your chart, and you will need to select the one from where the signals will be taken. To do this, click on the small arrow and select your indicator as shown on screen. Once you've done this, it is time to customize your trading parameters, and let's see how to do this. Up buffer, this parameter refers to the graphical resource that will indicate your MT2 Trading robot to open a call position on your broker account. And the down buffer, similar to the up buffer, only this parameter will indicate your robot and when to open a put option on your account. As you can see in this example, our selected up buffer is a green arrow pointing up and the down buffer is a red arrow pointing down. The entry type, this parameter refers to which precise moment the signal given by your indicator will be open on your account. You can choose between intrabar and on new bar. The trade amount, here you can choose the trade amount for the trades that will be placed on your account. As you can see, you can choose to increase it or decrease it freely. The expiration time, this parameter refers to which expiration time will be placed on your trades opened on your account. You can increase or decrease it as well. And martingale, you'll be able to configure your martingale strategy with a variety of options. No martingale, on next expiry, next signal, anti on next signal, and anti on next expiry. The final step once you finish configuring your trade parameter will be to hit the start button beside your indicator name. If everything is done correctly, your MT2 Trading robot will start placing trades on your selected binary options broker account with your desired parameters. We will now fast forward until our indicator gives one signal, and there we go. As you can see, it gave our connector a call signal. If we head over to our MT2 Trading platform, we will see the call signal has been opened by our trading robot and is now displayed on the trades table on the upper left corner of the platform. The trade is now taking place and all the important information regarding the operation is displayed. As soon as the trade is closed, we will be able to see if it is winning or losing one as shown on screen. And now you can relax whilst enjoying a pleasant automated trading experience. Kind regards and happy trading, the MT2 Trading Team.